Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today, we're diving into one of the most timeless and versatile trends in interior design, furniture that blends metal and wood in the most stunning ways. Whether you're into sleek modern designs, cozy rustic charm, or that bold industrial feel, this combo brings warmth, strength, and style to any space. If you're into home decor, furniture ideas, and all things green and beautiful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's jump into the world of wood and metal furniture. Get ready to be inspired. In the realm of interior design, the combination of wood and metal in furniture has evolved from a passing trend into a timeless style embraced by contemporary, industrial, rustic, and even minimalist aesthetics. This fusion of organic and industrial materials offers not only visual interest but also a balance of warmth and strength. Wood, with its rich textures and natural grain, brings warmth, character, and a sense of heritage, while metal provides durability, structure, and a modern edge. The interplay between these two contrasting elements allows designers and homeowners alike to create spaces that feel both inviting and cutting edge. The appeal of wood and metal furniture lies in its versatility and ability to adapt to various interior themes. Whether it's a reclaimed wood dining table with black steel legs or a sleek walnut desk paired with chrome supports, this material combination can be tailored to suit different functions and stylistic preferences. At the heart of the wood and metal trend is the desire to bridge the gap between nature and modernity. For centuries, wood has been the material of choice for furniture due to its accessibility and beauty, while metal, often seen as cold or mechanical, found its place in structural applications. When thoughtfully combined, however, they enhance each other's strengths. The softness and warmth of wood contrast beautifully with the sleekness and toughness of metal, creating a balance that feels both organic and refined. In industrial-style spaces, raw or distressed woods often pair with exposed steel or iron to reflect the rugged aesthetic of warehouses and factories. These spaces benefit from furniture pieces like pipe-leg coffee tables, open shelving with bracketed metal frames, and dining tables featuring thick timber tops with dark metal bases. On the other hand, modern interiors may favor smooth, polished woods such as walnut, ash, or maple with brushed stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum to create clean lines and minimal visual noise. One of the most popular expressions of wood and metal furniture is in dining sets. A sturdy wooden tabletop set atop a geometric metal base provides visual weight and elegance. These tables often become the focal point of the room, and when paired with chairs that echo similar material combinations, such as wood seats with metal frames or vice versa, they create a harmonious aesthetic. Designers often experiment with shapes and finishes, sometimes using live-edge wood slabs with irregular contours that contrast with precision-cut metal frames, emphasizing the union of the natural and the engineered. Beyond aesthetics, this pairing also improves functionality. Metal provides excellent support and longevity, preventing warping or sagging, while wood offers tactile comfort and a sense of earthiness that makes spaces feel grounded. In living rooms, the wood and metal combination finds expression through coffee tables, sideboards, shelving units, and TV consoles. These pieces often emphasize both form and function, offering storage solutions that are visually compelling. A typical example might include a metal-framed console table with reclaimed wood drawers, combining rustic charm with industrial resilience. The open-frame construction of metal bases helps keep the furniture feeling light and airy, even when the wood elements are dense or dark. Similarly, open shelving units with wooden planks and iron frames can help divide open spaces without closing them off entirely, offering a sense of spatial division while maintaining transparency and light flow. These elements are particularly effective in loft apartments or open-plan homes where maximizing light and airiness is key. In the bedroom, wood and metal combinations can elevate both the aesthetics and functionality of the space. Metal bed frames with wooden headboards are a common and appealing combination. The metal often forms the structural skeleton of the bed, providing durability and support, while the wood adds a natural, tactile element that softens the overall look. In some designs, the headboard may feature slats of reclaimed wood arranged in patterns, horizontal, vertical, or chevron style, framed by powder-coated steel, resulting in a centerpiece that is rustic yet modern. Matching nightstands often follow suit, with slim metal legs supporting wooden drawers or surfaces. These pieces maintain an uncluttered profile while offering practical storage and style. Dressers and wardrobes also adopt this hybrid approach, featuring steel handles, legs, or framing details that contrast with richly grained wood panels. This approach not only adds to the visual intrigue but reinforces the furniture's longevity, making it a worthy investment for years to come. Another key area where the combination of wood and metal thrives is in kitchen and dining storage. Baker's racks, bar carts, and kitchen islands frequently adopt this dual material strategy. For instance, a kitchen island with a butcher block top and industrial-style cast iron wheels offers both mobility and aesthetic appeal. Wall-mounted open shelving with metal brackets and wood planks can house dishware and spices while contributing to the overall decor. These elements align with the open concept trend in contemporary homes, where kitchen and dining areas flow into living spaces. The wood and metal combo facilitates this integration by offering pieces that can seamlessly bridge the stylistic gap between different functional areas of the home. The use of wood and metal in furniture extends beyond indoor spaces. In outdoor settings, this combination proves particularly effective, thanks to its ability to withstand the elements while maintaining visual appeal. Metal, especially when treated or powder-coated, offers weather resistance, while certain types of wood like teak, cedar, or acacia are naturally resilient to moisture and pests. Patio sets featuring wooden slats on metal frames, benches with iron legs and wooden seats, and pergolas combining steel supports with wooden lattice roofs are common examples. These pieces often lean into the rustic or industrial aesthetic, complementing garden elements like stone paths, brickwork, and greenery. Moreover, the contrast between the natural surroundings and the structured look of wood-metal furniture can create a beautifully balanced outdoor experience. From a design philosophy perspective, the combination of wood and metal in furniture reflects a broader movement toward mixed materials and textures. This reflects a rejection of monotony and a celebration of contrast. Designers today understand that texture adds depth, and juxtaposition creates interest. Rather than having a uniform material throughout, using a mix like wood and metal introduces variation and dynamism. This allows for more personalized and expressive interiors. For example, a minimalist space might feel too stark if dominated solely by metal or glass, but the inclusion of wood introduces warmth and humanizes the environment. Conversely, in a rustic or vintage room dominated by wood, the use of metal can bring a welcome injection of modernity and edge, preventing the space from feeling dated or overly nostalgic. One of the most creative directions in wood and metal furniture is custom shelving and storage solutions. Think floating shelves made with thick wooden planks supported by minimalist black metal brackets. These pieces are not only functional but also act as display stages for decor items, books, or indoor plants, perfect for adding character to blank walls. Floor-to-ceiling open shelving units also make great room dividers in open-concept homes. The metal framework provides structure and height, while the wooden shelves break up the space with natural texture. Console tables and entryway furniture also benefit from the wood-metal fusion. A narrow wooden console with slim, matte metal legs adds instant style to tight spaces like hallways or foyers. These pieces often include metal drawers or mesh panels that offer extra functionality while reinforcing the industrial chic aesthetic. A matching mirror with a metal frame and wooden accents can complete the look. In the lighting world, wood and metal come together to form truly eye-catching pieces. Pendant lights with wooden shades suspended from metal cords or chandeliers with exposed bulbs and wooden arms bring warmth and drama to any room. Even table and floor lamps with wooden bases and iron detailing offer a subtle but stylish nod to the trend. Moving into bathroom furniture, the combination is being used in vanities and storage. A floating wood vanity with black steel pipe supports or hairpin legs gives a spa-like feel while keeping the space grounded in natural tones. Matching towel racks, toilet paper holders, and shelves built from reclaimed wood and pipe fittings can tie the look together. Let's not forget multifunctional pieces like coffee tables with lift tops, benches with built-in storage, or side tables that double as mini desks. The durability of metal allows for smart engineering, hidden hinges, sliding trays, and stackable elements, while the wood adds beauty and craftsmanship. In children's or teen rooms, loft beds with wood steps and metal frames are practical, space-saving, and stylish. They offer plenty of room underneath for desks, bookshelves, or cozy reading nooks, blending form and function perfectly. Even in more formal spaces like dining rooms, you can mix the vibe up by combining a live-edge wooden table with brushed gold or bronze legs for a modern glam effect. Pair it with metal frame chairs upholstered in neutral fabrics for comfort and contrast. Finally, there's the growing trend of upcycling and DIY projects, where creators repurpose old wood and scrap metal into stunning new furniture pieces. Pallet wood combined with salvaged steel can become a rustic coffee table, or an old door with iron hinges can be transformed into a statement headboard. This not only saves money but also gives furniture a story, and in today's eco-conscious world, that resonates deeply with audiences. And that wraps up today's look into the timeless beauty of metal and wood combined furniture. Whether you're into industrial vibes, modern minimalism, or rustic charm, this fusion brings out the best of both worlds, the warmth of wood and the strength of metal, to create pieces that are not only stylish but built to last. If you found inspiration in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more ideas on transforming your space with style and creativity. And hey, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, right here on Kuki Decor.